Hi there everyone, welcome back to Time with Shaun. So here we have the image I created last week. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few things that I want to change, which I'm going to be doing just now. Then also we're going into week 2 now, so I'll be editing that as well. I did a poll on Instagram, came to that the vehicles is the one that people wanted, so I'm adding that, and then also 2 other images. So let me get started with this, touching it up, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, finishing up with the touching up, let me go through the topics. Motorcycle, adult, small buildings. Here is the topics. So lumberjack is the adult, we've got a motorcycle, and then the small building. So let me start with the small building first. So let me pull in the full ground. I want a little bit of that into it so that I can use that to blend it into the actual background. And then let me see, I'm going to do a little bit of editing around this, see if I can blend it in, and then see what happens after that. And then a little bit here. Then, yeah, there we go. It should be fitting in now, clearing up a bit of it, faded it in. So let me get on to the next one. Let's start with the lumberjack. So let me start with the selection tool, see if I can get him selected. Then try and pull him into the picture. Okay, so got him out. So let me start editing, fading him out, also getting the coloring right. Then let's see if I can finish that up, and then hopefully I can start with the motorcycle. I think this is going to take a while, so let me get stuck into that. Okay, so almost done with them. Let me start with the highlights. That's the fun part, also the irritating part, because it takes a while and you have to kind of concentrate the whole time to make sure that you're putting the lights in where you're supposed to. So let me get stuck into that. Okay, so let me do a little bit more shadowing there. Let's see if I can get a little bit darker, to see if it fades in a little bit more. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, while I'm doing this, what I want to mention is I'm gonna continue with that. Continue editing on this. Then let me get back to you when I'm moving over to the motorcycle. So here I'm done. I'm happy with the shadowing at the moment. I think I'm going to be able to play a little bit more with it, but let me get into the motorcycle, add that in, and then let's take it from there. Then a little bit of more highlighting here. A little bit more on the, a little bit more there. Okay, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning it up a little bit on the motorcycle side, add maybe a little bit of more darkness to it, but when I'm done there, then let's take a look at the camera filtering. Okay, when I'm done, usually I save the whole project, because with the camera filtering I flatten the image, then I go into selecting and editing the camera raw filter to get the image to what I want it to look like. And here we have the finished image. So it took a little bit of time on this. There's a few things that I had to do. First off, I had to edit a little bit of the previous week's image just to make myself feel sane, in the sense of that I added a little bit more shadows to the tiger. For the kid, I added a little bit more snow on his shoe to add him, also bring him a bit more into the image. Then for the rest of it, I worked on the woodcuts probably the most, because there's a lot of lighting that I wanted to get right there, and also make sure that I'm getting that fitted in. I also, for the back with the motorcycle and the building I did do a little bit of work with the shading, and then also trying to get the one tree's branches in front of him with a little bit of snow on top of the one part of his roof. Then also the motorcycle, had to blend it a little bit more to bring it in, or push it out to fit in with that area, so that also doesn't look a little bit too weird or not fitting. Then for the next week, I'm going to be looking at bringing in another 3 images, and then another 3 after that. So there's still 6 that needs to be added into this, so I'm not sure how I'm going to add it all and what it's going to be. Like I said, if anything, there's weird things that can be added into this thing. That's topics wise. So speaking of topics, I have on my Instagram, I do put in a poll that can pull in that you guys can vote, and then I'll take off that and then randomize the topic that you guys have voted on. If that goes better, then I'll maybe put in which 3 topics and then add 5 there, and then there's 3 that can be voted on, but I'll see how I want to do that. But I'll put in the Instagram topic voting the next day after I've uploaded my video, or the same day I've uploaded the video, just so that I can get a little bit more interaction from you guys. Then also, if there's anything, please let me know if there's anything I need to add to this image and look at. And otherwise, enjoy the week, and then I will see you guys on Wednesday.